Good morning to my dear students. I'm Rajesh Kumar, science teacher. Yesterday we started a chapter of class 10th chemistry, acid, base and salt. We discussed about some points like acids, bases, alkalis, indicators and the reaction of acid base with metals. Today we discuss about the reaction of metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate with acids and bases. Acid, when react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, they form salts, carbon dioxide and water. For example, HCl is an acid. When HCl react with sodium carbonate, form NaCl, carbon dioxide and water. In second case, when HCl react with metal hydrogen carbonate, NaCl, carbon dioxide and water formed. In both cases, either acid react with metal carbonate or react with metal hydrogen carbonate. Salt, carbon dioxide and waters are formed. Okay. Na is a metal, carbonate group is CO3 group. In second case, Na is a metal, HCO3 is a hydrocarbonate group. Bases do not react with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, then the question arises how we test the evolution of carbon dioxide gas during these reactions. Testing of carbon dioxide. When we pass the carbon dioxide formed during the above reactions through a lime water calcium hydroxide solution, then what happened? The lime water original color is actually a colorless. It does not have any color. But when carbon dioxide is passed through the lime water solution, its color changes to milky color. Okay. In this way, we can check the evolution or release of carbon dioxide through a lime water solution. Now the next is reaction of acid and base with each other. What will happen when acid and base react with each other? Let's take an example. HCl is an acid. When this acid react with the base, sodium hydroxide is a base. Because as we all know that the acids having H positive ion and bases having OH negative ions. Okay. Acid when react with base, they form NaCl and water. Means when acid react with base, salt is formed, and during these reactions, water and heat is also produced. Such reactions are called as neutralization reaction. The definition of neutralization reactions, the reactions in which acid and base react to form water and salt. And these reactions, during these reactions, heat is also produced. It involves H positive ion, hydrogen ion, OH negative ion, hydroxyl ion to generate water. Okay. Again, the reaction of metal oxides with acids. Now acid plus metal oxides when react with each other, they form salts and water. Take an example, acid HCl, metal oxide calcium oxide. When they react with each other, they form salt calcium chloride plus water. The nature of metal oxide is basic in nature. Metal oxides are basic in nature, and how we can check the presence of these metal oxides? By using indicators, as we discussed earlier. Now, reaction of non-metal oxides with bases. Bases, non-metallic oxides. When bases react with non-metallic oxides, salts are formed, plus these also a production of water. Take example, base calcium hydroxide, non-metallic oxide carbon dioxide. Non-metallic oxide means जिसमें metal ना हो. Form calcium carbonate plus water. Okay. And the nature of non-metallic oxides is acidic oxides. These are acidic oxides. Again, we can check these through litmus paper. Okay. Now, the next topic is, what do all acid and base have in common? Acid and base में क्या common चीजें होती हैं? You can see all acids have H positive ion. Similarly, all bases have OH negative ions. Acids are responsible for the acidic property of a solution. Similarly, bases are responsible for the basic property of the solution. The acidic property of the solution is due to H positive ions and the basic property of the solution due to OH negative ions. As the concentration of H positive ion increases, जैसे जैसे H positive ion की concentration बढ़ेगी तो उसकी acidic property में भी increase होगा. जैसे जैसे concentration OH negative ion की बढ़ेगी उसकी basic property भी increase होगी. Okay? Now, the reaction of acid and base in water. Reaction of acid and base in water. Acid, H positive ion, because acid give H positive ion, when react with water they form hydronium ion. H3O positive is a hydronium ion. Take example, HCl is a acid, when react with water form H3O positive plus Cl negative. H3O positive is hydronium ion. Okay, note, H positive ion cannot exist alone. H positive ion अकेले exist नहीं कर सकता. They exist as hydronium ion. वो exist किस form में करेंगे? H3O positive की form में. Okay. Now bases. When bases react with water, they form Na positive plus OH negative ion. जैसे हमने एसिड का देखा, जब एसिड वाटर से रिएक्ट करते हैं तो हाइड्रोनियम आयन बनाएंगे. उस तरह जब बेसिस वाटर में रिएक्ट करते हैं तो वो Na पॉजिटिव और OH नेगेटिव आयन बनाएंगे. ओके ओके, आई थिंक इनफ फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.